Good morning and welcome to another video. They finally got it, the Parkside wall holders for your batteries and for your screwdriver or 12-volt tools and 20-volt tools. So what we have here, a 12-volt wall holder for your 12-volt machine, a 20-volt wall holder for your 20-volt machine, a 12-volt battery holders, and 20-volt battery holders. We're going to install them on the wall. First open it up, take a look how the quality is. So I have been looking for a while for these on AliExpress and Temu, and they have them, but they were very expensive. And now I have them for a very good price from Parkside. I'm going to open up the box, take a look inside, see how the quality is. This is for the 12 volts. And those are for the 20-volt machines. They come in different sets. You have them dual, triple. Screws are included. Those look very good. The machine holder. Also with the screws. And for the 12-volt machines. They fit in one way, just like the machines. So they fit in both ways, from the back side, from the bottom side, and this is the top side. And on the top side they do lock. They fit a lot of better, like this. So I'm gonna mount them on this piece of wood, just like it's the wall. These are a little long, so I'm gonna use my own screws. This is basically how it looks like when it's on your wall. I've mounted this the wrong way. Two amp hour, 4 amp hour. And of course, it works on the performance or the normal. So you have to release them. That's easy. No problem. They are very strong. Can mount them both ways, whatever you like. And of course, when you have to take the battery out, you have to push the button. So they are sold in different models. I have the 2 battery version, the 2 battery model, but you can also get them for 3 batteries or for 4 batteries. For the machines, they only have the single adapters to mount on the wall, so only for 1 machine. And they cost around the €5 each, and that's depending on in which country you live. I do like them very much, and I'm going to build a charging station with them, so I can charge the batteries and I can hang the batteries on one place. Would be very handy. You will see that in a future video. For now, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and please leave a comment what you think about this product. Thanks for watching.